Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. Just got done doing wood. I figured I moved 75 pieces of wood today. I brought some in to my house for my bin, and then I put stacks them on the porch. We're supposed to get some horrible weather with next couple days. It's supposed to rain, or not rain. It's supposed to snow, and it's supposed to get really, really cold. And if it gets windy, I use a lot of wood. I'll show you my wood pile over here. See, that's full. There's my wood stove and my pile. Okay. So, in the meantime, it hurts me to do this because I got a bad back and a lot of problems. But anyway, I restarted my dog jacket. I put cotton yarn in here, so hopefully it won't stretch as much. I'm hoping. And this is my own pattern that I'm trying to make. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm going to try. And this is a make I'm making. I'm just messing around. It's knitting. Back in the day, that's all I did. And when my kids were babies, I made them sweaters and stuff like that. I don't know how I did it, but I did do it. You know, I mean, I don't remember being taught how to knit, but I did make quite a few things for my kids, my daughters, you know. And I think this is all scrap yarn, so I don't care what it looks like. It's just going to be thrown on the couch for a throw to keep Toasty warm. And this I'm making for my grandson. This is Greg's Loops. Give me a second. I got to think of the name of it. Something in the round. It's in the round. I forget what it is. Well, it's in the round. It's on Greg's Loops. And this is taking me forever. As you can see, it takes forever. I'm getting probably 1 inch round on each side for each round. So, I mean, it's not big enough. These are the colors he wanted. I'm not impressed, but there's so many more beautiful colors than that combination. But that's up to him. You know, that's what he wanted, but he doesn't know he's getting it, so it doesn't really matter because I ripped it apart a couple times. I didn't like the pattern for any of the colors. It was hard. But anyway, I'm sorry I didn't make a pie yet. I'm going to have to make a pie because I love pie. And I'll probably get that done this weekend sometime. I'm going to make an apple pie with real crust. And since Thanksgiving's coming, I want to show people how to make it because why buy it? You know, it's cheaper to go get some apples and have, if you got flour, you can make it. Flour and lard, shortening, whatever, Crisco, and you can make your pie. It's easy. It's very satisfying. My brother-in-law bought me pie pins to make him pies because he loved my pie so much. And unfortunately, he's in heaven now, but I still got the pie pans, and I love making pies. But I've been doing a lot of stuff around here, you know, being by myself and with my Sammy. There he is. He's so handsome. He goes out with me all the time, don't you, buddy? Yeah, you do. He goes out with me and does all the work with me. And he tries to bite me when I go out because he gets excited, and he's not really biting. He's just being stupid. Wants to bite. You know, I got my gloves on. When he sees the gloves, he wants to chew on them for some freaking reason. He don't chew on them any other time, but when they're on my hands. So, I don't get it. It's a chihuahua in them. They get little bit weird. And you see his tag that's hanging? And it says, "Oh shit, I'm lost" on it. And it's got my phone number on it. I thought that was cute. But anyway, people, I'm going to let you go. Hopefully this ain't too boring for you. Probably is. But anyway, like and subscribe. Ask me questions if you need any answers. I'll try to give them to you. I love your comments. I love the people that are on my channel because they're so cool. I like them a lot. Too bad they live in other states and stuff, but that's life, you know. All right, people, like and subscribe. Peace out. Love you guys later. Bye.